Dear students, our next topic is the alphanumeric code. In this alphanumeric codes, these codes are used to encode the characters of alphabet in addition to the decimal digit. That is, we have used to encode the characters of the alphabet. And these are used primarily for transmitting data between computers and the device such as printers, keyboards, and video display terminal. That is the main primarily function of this alphanumeric codes. The most popular code is alphanumeric codes are ASCII, that is ASCII, and the EBCDCI code. In this topic, we have to discuss about this ASCII code. The full form of ASCII is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It is ASCII, and we pronounce as ASCII. And it is widely used in the alphanumeric code, and it is basically a 7-bit code. That is, you just know it is a 7-bit code, and this ASCII can be used to encode both the lowercase and uppercase, that is both the capital letters and small letters of the alphabet, that is 52 symbols, and some special symbols as well in addition to the 10 decimal digits. That is the main function of the ASCII code, and it is used for extensively for printers and terminals, the interface with a small computer system. And ASCII is very easy for a computer to alphabetize and sort. Here is the example of this ASCII code. You just note that is, here some of the ASCII codes are shown in this diagram. That is 32. If you have seen a number is 32, that is it means space. 33, that is exclamatory. 34 double colon, 35 hash, 36 dollar symbol, 37 ampersand, 38 and so on. That is, here are the basic some of the ASCII codes are shown, where you have some codes you have to by heart this code, but in this case the main ASCII code is this 65 to 90, that is A to Z. That is, you have to study about this ASCII code. That is 65 for A, 66 for B, 67 for C, and so on, and 90 for Z. You have to just by heart this, that 65 90 means that is A to Z. And a problem, that is, here is a problem 1 0 0 1 0 0 1. That is here, and in this case you have to just write down the 8421 code. Also it is 7-bit code, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It is 7-bit code, I already told you. And using the 8421 code, you just find out the corresponding decimal number. That is, the first group you have to see it as 73, second group it is 65, and third group is 77. And then write down the corresponding ASCII code. That is one starting from 65 to 90. That is, starting from this 65 to 90, we can clearly see that 73 means I. That is, 73 is capital I, and 65 means capital A, and 77 means capital M. So we can simply write it as this binary code is otherwise termed as IAM. That is, all other binary code we can simply turn into an ASCII code. Thank you.